Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by logging into DDoSim and making a quick export of the current configuration because mistakes happen. Once done, verify each backend node's IP, port, protocol, and health endpoint so you know what you will target. Then create a new load balance instance and choose an algorithm, round robin, least connections, or weighted based on traffic patterns. Make sure to assign initial weights. This first change routes traffic without disrupting live services while preserving rollback options. Next, configure server pools and attach your nodes, assigning weights to control capacity. This lets busy nodes receive proportionally more traffic. Then add health checks, set reasonable interval and timeout values so unhealthy nodes are removed quickly but not prematurely. After that, enable session persistence only if your application needs sticky sessions, and configure SSL pass-through or termination as required. Finally, create routing rules and URL map entries so requests land in the correct pool during normal and degraded states. To finish, deploy your configuration to staging and run realistic traffic tests. Once validated, roll changes to production in small steps so you can observe behavior. Monitor latency, error rates, and connection counts, and use those signals to tweak weights and timeouts. Make sure automated failover and alerting are enabled so problems are detected fast. If something goes wrong, revert to the exported config immediately and check health logs. That single step often isolates misconfigured checks or bad backends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.